All cabbage is not green, honey. We're going to get some good southern cooking up in you. I really feel like you should put on some type of greens, put on a pot of greens every week. If I'm not doing collard kales, it's cabbage. I like to mix my greens up. So this week I did green and purple cabbage with my peppers and onions and chicken sausage. I do a spicy chicken sausage because it gives it a lot of flavor. I use some of the same things that I consider my secrets, and that's chicken base. Chicken base gives me all the sodium and seasoning I need. I'm always on that garlic. I mean, I'm a garlic girl. And these peppers, either a jar of sweet peppers or sometimes with a little spice to it. It's real easy. You saute all that in the skillet with a little olive oil, and there you go.